the next 30 seconds, I'll prove you already have a digital product idea hiding in your head, even if you swear you don't. The reason you can't see it, you're too close to it. It feels normal to you, so you assume no one would pay for it, but you are wrong. Then, in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to pull it out with ChatGPT, package your product in a Google Doc or Canva template, and sell it with MiloTree. And you can do all of this for free. And along the way, ChatGPT is going to do something else for you, something you probably need even more than product ideas. It's going to give you the confidence to actually sell. So I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. We help creators start selling digital products fast, no online store, no complicated tools, no stress. If you're ready to grow your online income with simple action, just hit that subscribe button. I create videos like this every week that show you step by step how to build your digital product empire. Step 1, let's find the gold you've been overlooking. Open ChatGPT, the free version is fine, and paste in this first prompt. Act as a business idea coach. I want to start selling digital products with no money. Here's my job, my hobbies, and my life experience. You're going to insert the details. Give me 5 simple digital product or service ideas I can start this week for free. I'd like product ideas that make people money, save them time, move them toward happiness, move them away from pain, and or raise their social status. These I call buying triggers. They get people to take out their credit card and pay. Okay, let's say I'm an accountant and my hobbies are DIY home repairs and playing guitar. And my life experience, I have flipped 2 houses for profit without going over budget. ChatGPT will connect the dots that you've never connected because remember, you're too close to your own skills to see them and see their worth. Now, let's pick your easiest win and get your product created. From the list, choose the simplest product idea, something you can create fast that solves one small, pokey, painful problem. If an idea doesn't jump out at you, ask ChatGPT to suggest the simplest one that it thinks will attract the most customers. Great. Got your idea? Now, I'm going to hand you the exact words to give ChatGPT so it builds your product for you. Here it is. Here is prompt number 2. Write me a short, high-value checklist or guide that solves, and you're going to insert the problem, in under 10 minutes. To create your actual product, you're just going to copy and paste the results into a Google Doc. Edit it to your liking, add a little bit of your personality and flair, and save it as a PDF. Or go to Canva, search for a guide template, pick a free one, paste the results from ChatGPT into the template, edit it to your liking, and then save that as a PDF. And in a minute, I will show you exactly how to set it up in MiloTree for free so you can get started selling immediately. But first, we're going to fix the thing that stops most people from selling at all. Please copy this prompt into ChatGPT. This might be the most valuable. Act as my business coach. I'm feeling nervous about selling my product. Write me a short pep talk about why my product is valuable and how sharing it will help people. I want you to read these results before you start selling. You will go from, who am I to sell this, to, why am I not selling this already? Now that you've got your product and your hype squad in your corner, let's start selling this in under 10 minutes. You're going to head to MiloTree.com. Go sign up for a free account. In your dashboard, click the button that says Digital Download. You're going to name your product, give it a price, let's say $14, and a short description. You're going to upload your PDF by clicking on this Upload button. Next, click the button that says Create Sales Page, and boom, our AI has already written your sales page for you. Edit it just the way you like, change text, colors, images, then just make sure to press Save. And the last step is you're going to need to connect your Stripe account so you can collect payments immediately. We even deliver that PDF file for you so you do not have to worry about it. You have your sales page linked. This is your key to unlocking money. But how do you get your first customers without spending a cent? That's next, and it's easier than you think. Okay, so here is the fourth and final prompt. Act as a social media marketing expert. Give me 5 short, engaging post ideas to promote this product without sounding pushy. The top 10 places to share it, and a quick pep talk on why consistent promotion, even when it feels uncomfortable, is essential to getting sales. Remember, you're not begging for sales. You're solving a problem people actually have. And you have to share it everywhere, including texting your sales page link to your mom, your best friend, and your entire book club. And if you follow this next 7-day plan, you could see your first Stripe notification by this time next week. So here we go. On day 1, you're going to do that brain dump where you share all of your skills using prompt number 1. Day 2, pick the easiest idea. Day 3, create your guide or checklist using prompt number 2. Day 4, create your product in a Google Doc or a Canva template. Day 5, you're going to give yourself that confidence boost with prompt number 3. Plus, you're going to upload your PDF to MiloTree, create your sales page, and connect your Stripe account. Day 6, you're going to create marketing posts with a little bit of a pep talk using prompt number 4. And day 7, you are going to share the link to that sales page everywhere and DM it to everyone you know. These tools, they're all free. The steps are simple. So what's the real obstacle? Believing you have nothing to offer, but your skills, the ones that feel obvious to you, are gold to someone else. And making your first $100 is the fastest way to prove it to yourself. So subscribe to my channel, because next I'm showing you how to add related products to this first one, so each new customer buys more from you. It's the simplest funnel you'll ever build, and you can do it all in MiloTree. Grab these 4 prompts in the link in the description, sign up for MiloTree's free plan, and start today, because someone out there is ready to buy, and it might as well be from you. And stay to watch my next video on how to make your first $100 selling your first digital product.